When things don't go quite to plan, don't panic. Do a bit of planning, and you'll soon find your way back. Right, so what I've just realised is I've brought the fur in here, and actually it needs to come around about here. So this bit here actually starts up around here, which is, yeah. So I'm just going to try and rectify that. It's stupid on my part. It's just, that's the thing. You start plotting stuff and blah blah blah, and you get carried away, and then you realise that actually you've missed out a whole sort of section of the dog's head. And the reason I sort of realised was because of this bit here. This is in the right place, and I was thinking, oh, hang on a second, there's a whole load of fur there that's showing on the reference, but not on my drawing. So that was all a bit silly. So I'm just going to bring in, there's quite a bit of dark in this here. So this is all quite dark here as well. It's not going to change anything, but that's why this little bit here was, I was thinking that's just not sitting properly, and it's because I'm missing this whole area of the ear. So hopefully you won't have done that. It's so easy just to carry on regardless, and just put something in completely the wrong place. Anyway, we're nearly sorted now. That's better. Right, so let's just get this dark area in here. Okay, and then right, okay, I think we're back on track. God. Right, so that looks better already, doesn't it? Just with those little tweaks. So it's you know, when you find yourself in that sort of a situation, don't panic, like I did. don't have a meltdown or anything like that, and just work out how you can rectify things and make things you know, right again. And I would say have a bit of a plan first. So I measured mine. I made sure that I saw that something wasn't quite right, so I got my measuring tool out and measured it. And then kind of had an idea in my head about what I was going to do, and then did it. You know, I think it's best just to have a really good think about what you're going to do first, and then you know, go ahead and do it, rather than you know, blind panic. Oh my God, I've got this all wrong, it's all in the wrong place, because actually it was quite easily rectified. You know, so yeah, I would always recommend just measuring first, just to make sure that actually you know, you are right. You know, it could have been just that my shading was a little bit off or something like that. So always measure first, just to make sure that you know, things aren't in the right place before you start trying to shift them. And then we can just come into this area and just start to tidy up these little hairs as well.